welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get information on a web address. So, like basic registration information that you would be able to get without doing any sort of hacking or anything. It's just a simple command that you can utilize from your command prompt in Kali Linux, or basically any other Linux distribution should be able to do this on. So open up a terminal. And then you want to type in, here, let me make this bigger so you can see it here. Okay, so you want to type in Whois, and then the name of the website that you want to check the public records of. So let's just say, I don't know, alright, and might have to zoom out actually so we can see the full record here. Okay, so this is all the public information listed for the website. So you can see a lot of things are redacted for privacy. Usually you can get a lot of good info doing this, because some of them won't be redacted, so you'll be able to see, like, let's say the registrant street, the city, the person, the phone number, the name of the person that registered it, the email, all this good stuff. Let's see, right here we can see the registry domain ID is not private. Okay, we can see Whois server here. So that's a server I'm guessing that we're accessing this information from here. Sure, abuse contact email, okay, contact phone number. Looks like it was just a WordPress server. So this is a good example of what you want your website to look like here for all the information. You want it to say redacted for privacy. So you want it to be hosted from a private server, or privacy-oriented server, so that anyone that can, literally anyone can do this. It's not illegal either, it's just public information. So that anyone who does this isn't able to access your personal information. Alright, catch you in the next video.